Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goyal and in this video we are going to convert 31% to decimal. So let's start with today's video solution. So 31%, so right now it is in percentage form and we have to convert into decimal form. So first we understand the meaning of this sign percentage. So it is denoted 1 by 100. So when you remove the symbol you can write 1 by 100 or in place of 1 by 100 you can write the symbol. So I can write 31% as 31 times 1 by 100. So 31 times 1 is 31 by 100. Now to convert into decimal, if there is two zeros with 1 in denominator, you can easily write decimal before two places because there are two zeros. So 3, 1 and 1 place, 2 place and here is 0. Here is decimal and if there is no digit before that, we'll write 0. So 31% in terms of decimal is 0.31. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.